Alright, in this next video for the dashboard, I'm going to show you three things. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to change the name of the class so it's something a little more digestible than what the technical name is. I'm going to show you how you can change the color of the boxes so you can make them a little more visual for yourself to something you like. And I'm also going to show you where you can actually do more custom colors for your boxes. So steps 1 and 2 are pretty simple, and if you don't want to be fancy, you'll only watch like 30 seconds of this video. And then if you like fancy, you can stay tuned and I'll show you where to go to make it a little fancier. So, step 1, change the name of your course. Q1 Journalism 7 Williams 3-4 is technically the name of the class, but I don't really call it that. Instead, I just call it Journalism. So what I'm going to do is highlight the name and I'm going to rename it Journalism. The next thing you can do is also change the colors. Now, Canvas only gives you a select set of colors, and so I'm going to go turquoise because I think that's kind of cool. Or since their lockers in the 7th grade wing are yellow, I'm going to make them yellow. In this class then, I'm going to rename it from, oops, I clicked on it on accident. I'm going to rename my journalism class here, click on the name, highlight the whole thing, and I'm going to call it just broadcast because my 6th grade class is actually more of a broadcast. I'm going to keep it blue because their lockers are blue. And the newspaper 8 here, since it's my only newspaper class this quarter, I'm going to call it newspaper and make it a reddish color because the 8th grade lockers are kind of reddish. And that is how you change the name and color of your classes. For some reason this class did not take, so I'm going to go back and just make sure you hit apply. There you go. And there you have it. So that is the easy way to change the colors and the names to your classes to something a little more customizable. Now if that's good enough for you, you can go ahead and stop watching. If you like the idea of changing the colors to something that is not provided here by Canvas, keep watching. For example now, if you want to add colors that are not available, open a new tab and go to a website called color.adobe.com. Adobe does things like Photoshop. In this case though, a web at color.adobe.com gives you this whole slew of fun color stuff here. And you've got the color rule here, and you can see the different things, analogous, monochromatic, complementary, all that good stuff. So if you want something that's a little more green and funky that's not provided by Canvas, what you do is play around with the little tabbies here in the color wheel, scroll down, and you're going to notice that within the color you select, say I want to go more of a seafoam green, a hex number's here. The hex is the code you want for that customizable color. So highlight, go back to highlight and copy, go back to your courses, make sure you're on your dashboard, click the pencil again, and this funky little thing here, the hashtag and the letters and numbers, that's the hex. Just hit paste and see the color appears, hit apply. Ta-da! Now I've got more of a seafoam green because I'm feeling like journalism is seafoam green. So then you go back to color again, color.adobe.com. Let me show you what another the analogous looks. You just move it around and all the tabs just kind of go crazy, which is fun. Maybe I want more of like a I don't know, another green to go with my class. Click on that lime green that I like, highlight the hex, copy it, go back to your dashboard, click the pencil, go down where the hashtag is, paste it, and apply it. And maybe I want all quarter 1 classes to be a shade of green, and you could if you like. And that is how you can change the name and change the color of your classes, and if you kept watching, how you can change the colors more customly to something that is not provided by Canvas.